I can again hear some blasts taking place in the background. But as I would like you to see, the traffic behind me on this highway is fully functional. There is no blockage. People are going about their business. But yes, I can still hear some blasts going off in the background.
Pakistani drones attacked Pathankot in a swarm for the second consecutive night on Friday, leading to intense counter-engagement by the Indian Army and Indian Air Force air defense units. The attack, which began around 8:45 p.m., lasted close to half an hour, during which multiple loud explosions were heard and anti-aircraft firing was observed in the night sky. A blackout had been imposed across the city at 7 p.m. by the district administration. The army said that around the time Pathankot came under attack, similar drone attacks were underway in Samba and Jammu. There was little vehicular movement on the roads as the explosions grew louder. Some residents were standing atop rooftops, observing the firefight. Gradually, the firing and explosions abated and an uneasy calm descended as people prepared for a long night ahead. Located just 40 kilometers from the Pakistan border, Pathankot Air Force Station plays a key role in India's defense and surveillance. It hosts fighter jets ready to respond quickly and monitors cross-border activity with radar systems. The Indian Express's Manaman Singh brings you the latest update from Pathankot.
I am right now standing at the outskirts of Pathankot, a key military garrison in Punjab, which abuts the states of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Behind me you can see the sprawling Pathankot city, and adjacent somewhere in the background, which we cannot identify, is the Air Force Station, where currently a series of explosive sounds are emanating from. These sounds we are not able to ascertain as of now belong to what nature of ordnance, but clearly these blasts are taking place for the last 5 minutes. I can again hear some blasts taking place in the background. But as I would like you to see, the traffic behind me on this highway is fully functional. There is no blockage. People are going about their business. But yes, I can still hear some blasts going off in the background. This has been happening since late last night and early morning today. This is Manaman Singh China reporting for the Indian Express from Pathankot.